morning, you guys. So this is the very next day. Today I'm gonna wash the car, and you can see here's the beauty. There's a lot of dirt, so it's gonna be nice to clean it and give it a proper wash. I don't know what is this. Oh, it's some metal, I think. Let's go get some gas so we can pull it out. There's no gas left. By the way, there's no any plates yet, so I can't drive it to the gas station. So I have to go and get some gas at the gas station. So yeah, let's go. Gotta take that V-powered. Turbo timer, nice. And remember, boys, you better stay hydrated with gasos. This is good. So guys, here you can see the difference. This car hasn't been washed for over 4 years, so it's pretty crazy. It's gonna be really nice. Now I'm gonna clean the windows inside and outside. I'm using Mac wires for detailing. I am done for today. It's getting dark on me, so but it's looking pretty clean actually. The windows are very clean now, and it helps a lot to show the car's real potential. I hope you like it as much as I do. I'm just gonna park it right now and see you guys the next time. Bye. What's up guys, welcome back. So I am going to clean the dash, all the vinyl stuff with my Macwire all-purpose stuff. That's basically it. And maybe I'm going to try to take this out because this button is stuck. So I probably have to open it up and see if I can fix it. It's drying a little bit slowly because of the cold weather, but it's done for the first step. So I am going to try to take this one out, take it inside with me so I can renovate it or restore it, or how to say, or just get this button to work. Just found out that this isn't broken. It's just like when you push one button and you push another one, it clicks. So you just have to push a little bit, then now none of them are down. It's just the old mechanism, I think. That's just how it works. So didn't know that, but yeah. Oh, by the way, this one is stuck, so this one I have to fix, but this one is probably gonna be another day because it's cold, it's raining. I just want to get inside and search for some parts that I can order. That's it, I think. See you soon. Bye.